mathematical models of the electrical and chemical properties of neurons and synapses. How do we think? Where do happy feelings come from? The brain creates our thoughts and feelings. The brain receives stimuli and sends commands to every part of the body. It is the command center of the nervous system. The nervous system, including the brain, consists entirely of nerve cells called neurons. Neurons transmit information very quickly by using electrical and chemical signals. A neuron consists of a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. Dendrites receive signals from other neurons. In contrast, the axon sends signals to other neurons. The end of an axon connects to another neuron. This connection is called a synapse. An axon looks like an electrical wire. But does it really work in the same way? An electrical signal traveling through a wire gradually becomes weaker because of resistance. But in an axon, the signal hardly weakens at all. How is this possible? The secret lies in the sodium-ion channels on the surface of the axon. When an electrical signal arrives, the sodium-ion channels open and positively charged sodium ions enter the cell. This creates a new electrical signal, which opens the neighboring channels. Like a row of dominoes falling one after another, the signal keeps moving. As a result, the signal can travel all the way along the long axon. However, the signal faces another problem when it reaches a synapse. Neurons are not directly connected. Instead, a tiny gap called the synaptic cleft lies between them. An electrical signal cannot cross this gap by itself. So how does the signal reach the next neuron? The answer lies in neurotransmitters. When the electrical signal reaches the synapse, calcium ion channels open, and small sacs containing neurotransmitters release these chemicals into the synaptic cleft. The neuron on the other side detects these chemicals and creates a new electrical signal. Between neurons, electrical signals change into chemical signals, and chemical signals change back into electrical signals again and again. Can mathematics describe such complex signal transmission? A well-known model is the Hodgkin-Huxley equations. In the early 1950s, Hodgkin and Huxley experimentally showed how ion movement changes with the voltage across the cell membrane. They then described the membrane voltage and changes in ion channels with differential equations. This research made it possible to explain mathematically when a neuron generates a signal and when it stops. A differential equation is, simply put, mathematics that calculates how fast something changes over time. A neuron constantly receives input signals from other neurons. These input signals gradually change the voltage across the cell membrane. When the voltage reaches a certain threshold, the neuron generates a strong electrical signal. After sending the signal, the voltage returns to its original state, and the process repeats. Today, these mathematical models form an important foundation for neuroscience and artificial intelligence research. Our thoughts, memories, and emotions are the result of the electrical and chemical signals produced by countless neurons. Remarkably, mathematics in the form of differential equations can explain this complex activity. Will the day come when a computer can fully replicate the human brain?